The daily code snippet. The div element in HTML is used to group a set of other elements together. This is done so that you can target those elements within a div as a single item. For example, you may want to apply particular styling like a background color in a section that contains a heading and paragraph text. Div opening tag, h1 opening tag, main heading, h1 closing tag, p opening tag, paragraph text, p closing tag, div closing tag. The span element is similar to the div element, as it is also used to group content in order to apply a unique styling. The difference between the two is that a span element is typically inline while a div element is a block element, which means that it starts on a new line. Q opening tag. We need diversity of thought in the world to face the new challenges. Ampersand m dash semicolon span opening tag Tim Berners-Lee span closing tag Q closing tag. So when using a span element within a Q element, as in our example, we can apply different styling to the content within the span that is unique from the styling that is used for the Q element. It can be equated to using a character style within a paragraph style. To refine our targeting of both div and span elements, we would use class attributes, or in some cases, unique ID attributes, depending on what we are trying to achieve. Presented by Designers Learn Code.